Hey, we made it. We are on day 7 of mother sauces. There's only 6 mother sauces if you count mayonnaise. But what is a mother sauce? A mother sauce is classified as any sauce that is the base for a family of sauces. So for example, if you add cheese to a bechamel, it becomes a Mornay sauce. If you add tarragon to hollandaise sauce, it becomes a béarnaise sauce. But there are numerous sauces that just by adding one, two, a few ingredients to the basis of all of the mother sauces, they become a different sauce. And that is a mother sauce. So thank you for letting me do this week of mother sauces, and get out and practice some mother sauces.